Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create a Glovo account in Italy. So in the search bar, just head over to glovoapp.com/it/en. Here, all you have to do is click on login. To proceed, you're going to need to enter your phone number, or you can also use your WhatsApp number. From here, you can also log in using your Google account, your Facebook account, or your email. And just by that, we have created a new account. You can edit your account settings by clicking on account. So if you want to make changes on your account settings such as your name, email, and phone number, you can edit it here. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!